Hi, I'm Alex, co-founder of CodeMod. Here's a quick overview of our platform and how we help our customers automate their code remediation and migration projects. Complex code migration and modernization projects are not just like a technical problem. They're an organizational problem, and AI alone cannot solve it. AI is non-deterministic, it's a black box, and very messy. Instead of having a generic AI coding agent like Cursor, we're going to solve this problem with a swarm of micro agents that can do one thing really well at scale. These bots that can solve not just the code changes, but also insights, the orchestration, and safe deployment. So they solve the problem end to end. They're reliable, reusable, and extremely fast. When we partner up, you wish for a change, for a migration, and some remediation. With the help of our proprietary AI agents, we create these micro agents for your project, which is tailored to your code base, and it's also configurable. End-of-life package upgrades, security remediation, internationalization, and more. Now imagine that we partner up and we want to help you with code-based internationalization. We build a pro-code mod tailored to your needs, and one campaign owner will go to code mod and initiate this campaign. They pick the pro-code mod that we have built for you. They can configure it as they wish. For example, setting the internationalization library, and they can decide how they want to break down large changes based on code owner and the number of files in a PR, the type of scripts that they want to run before and after the automation, and more. Once they're ready, they initiate the campaign, and the changes are automatically broken down based on the criteria that they set in the configuration. With integration with task management, automatically tasks are created and assigned to the teams. And once the developers are ready to prioritize and work those tasks, they just need to move the task from the to-do to in progress. And automatically, PRs are created for those small chunks and tasks. The PRs are very reliable and high quality. They're not AI slop. We're using CodeMod and compiler technologies, and they're easy to review. And once the changes are deployed to production with the same bots that can transform the code, we can also generate leadership dashboard that never existed before. You can keep track of the progress per team over time and tie the progress to business metrics. How long will it take? How much will it cost? And things like that. This is how we help software teams to plan, automate, orchestrate, and track any kind of code migration and remediation projects. I hope that we can be helpful to you. If you're interested, book me for a quick demo. Thank you.